On this new video, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram swipe reply option not showing or not working on your Instagram. So the first way is you have to open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, and then search for Instagram and click here on this update option. That's the first way. The second way is you have to open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps and go to the Instagram app. Click on this option, it's called force stop, to stop running the app in the background on your phone, and then go down, click on storage, click on clear all the data that you have on your Instagram, and then go back and click on the power usage details and then disable the power consumption alert and disable it and enable it again. And the third way and last one is just restart your phone or just restart it as I said. And last thing I want to say, if you still didn't have this option or it's not working yet, this means it's not available on your country yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe.